Hello friends, how are you? Maybe I hope you all are doing great and learning something new every day. So, welcome to my new videos. This is our 16th English speaking practice day, and the most important thing, I grateful that I can stay connect daily and my practicing daily. This is the most important thing. If my God, my Almighty God, don't want, then I cannot stay. So I can stay connect till today. This is the important thing, and this is the matter. And for this, today I am also speaking and practicing. And every day when I speak, when I starts my practicing or I come here to practice, then I faced a problem every day. And the problem is when I starts my speaking, then I don't find any topics or any subject which I can speak. For this, I just think randomly, but don't find anything. So for today, and thus today I don't find anything. So when I came here in the web, then I was listening a thing or a story. This is the story about as four people, and then I'm sharing with you, but because I have to say anything in English, so for this I am sharing a story with you, and the second parts I also create a second part, and the second part every day I speak or I spoke a sentence, very important sentence, which can be important, which very important for our life. So and I thought that today this is my video, don't be long, don't make long, just 5 6 or 7, within 7 minutes my video is created. And the story about four people, and the people, everybody, somebody, anybody, and nobody. And their boss of in the office, their boss, these four peoples give a small but very important tasks, very simple. This is very simple task. For this, anyone can do this, just any people, one people need this. And then everybody thought that somebody might do this, then because this is very small and simple tasks, somebody might do this. And somebody thought that anybody surely do this, because this is very simple. And then anybody thought this, anyone do this. When anyone means one people, anyone do this. But at the end, no one complete the task, because everyone thought that this is very simple task. This is very simple, and just one people and very small times can do this. But for this, they overcome these tasks. They don't think that this is important. But for this, and when their boss asked them why no one complete the task, and then everyone asks someone why you do not do this, then some I think we think that uh, anyone do this, anyone asks, no, anyone asks, but anyone think anyone and do this completely, but because anyone thought that someone do this. And in these stories, this is just a funny story, but in these funny stories we can learn a great lessons, great important lessons. This is very important lessons in our life. The lesson is, we think sometimes we think that this is very small task, this is very simple task, or very simple task, but simple things we don't we don't think that this is very important, but these simple tasks will be very important for our life. Even these simple tasks, if we do every day, we can completely change our life. Because and this even you just overcome this problem, just don't think this is important. These simple tasks, like these stories, very important. So, and I also want to think, I also want to speak, I think that I this is very funny stories, but I can speak this very this very arranging. I don't arranging because I'm a learner and I'm also a veganer. This I am veganer. I just speak or just practice my English only 2 day, 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks. So I'm but I'm grateful, but I am also the first day, then the first day I am very improving, because I'm also speaking very confidently and fluently. Then my first day speaking I started speaking. So, and if you find any mistakes in my video, then you also know me in the comment. Your comments will help me to improve my speaking and my English, and it also makes me happy. So starts and our second parts. You all know that in the second parts I share with you a very important thing, a very important sentence. But today I thought that I will share with you a thing that about books. Why books very important? Why we need to read books? But then I thought that books, because I don't get any times to read book, because I have a lot of study on my educational books have, and but I don't complete these books, and for this I don't find in time to read these books, and I also waste time and many in my phones watching reels. And but I want to decrease, I want to compromise my times gradually. This not this not mm, this not uh, doing in a day or in a weeks. So for this I'm doing this gradually, and the more and for this, when I start to reading a book, then I will speak or I will give you advice. But this is not actually advice, but I will speak with books then with yourself. But today I want to speak something about times. Yes, I am managing my times, I am arranging my times, I'm trying this, and for this I can speak this. I have this some this I have some knowledge about this, and for this I'm speaking now times. Yes, we all know that time is very important in our life. Time can change our life. So first of all, I also want to share a thing that I see, and a eagle birds don't waste his time with some pigeons or some small birds. Some pigeons just cage every day, but they just stay cage in human. But eagle don't stay there, they don't stay in the land. They just they just all time want to fly in the sky, top of the sky. So you if you waste your time with the people who don't matter really, you also wasting your time. You just at the end of the day, you also will be the people you are wasting, or you are while you are spending your times with the people, you will be those people. So to spend your time, you need to think that what people you are wasting your time, what with the people you are wasting your time. So makes friends with very carefully and waste your time. So that's all for today. And if you find this video fruitful, then you also can share with your friends who the friends also want to speak English and want to learn English. And I also speak one thing that I only again speak this, also a beginner like you, but I am a beginner. I don't know you are beginner or you are a English pro speaker. So if you find any mistakes, then you can comment me if you want. And so have a good day.